Jam One Media TV, the leader TV.
Today I can say, thank the Lord, my brother is out. And boy, the journey will be hard, but I'm prepared for it.
This is certainly what I like to call swift justice, and so I'm very happy to know that all of this happened in 7 days. Certainly in a perfect society, you could appreciate that this is what we want for our justice system. And so I would just implore all and plead to all defense attorneys that there are many of our brothers and sisters still in there, and we need to be able to assist them like we did for George.
It's just the beginning. We have plenty more, and we are committed to try to. We got some funds, and we got the attorney, we got the psychiatrist, and I am ready to go for all of them one by one until I will make sure that mentally ill are not locked in prison.
I think one of the misconceptions we have about persons with mental illness is that their functional state is permanent and that they cannot. So Williams has been on medication and is consistently being treated through the correctional services. I must applaud him for that. And certainly that his mental facets have improved since 1970 when he was incarcerated on a psychiatric state. And he has shown significant improvement. He does have some persistent psychotic symptoms, but they do not interfere with his ability to either engage or understand what's going on. And I say that's one of the issues that we have to deal with. But the reality is that what we all agree on is that the best place for Mr. Williams is for him to be at home with his relatives and for his treatment to be provided in the least restrictive environment. And I think that's what happened to here today, and I think that's a wonderful thing.
I'm feeling so elated right now. After 50 years, and he's finally free. You know, words can't even explain how I'm feeling right now. I'm really, really grateful. Thanks to Jamaica stand-up group, Mr. Buchanan and his team. He did a very great job in such a short time. And I hope for the rest of inmates that is in there incarcerated just the same time like Mr. George Williams, I hope justice will be served in the short space of time that justice has been served to my uncle, George Williams.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, today's topic is a man that was in prison for 50 years without trial has walked free today. Yes, viewers, please like, share and subscribe. George Williams walked free today after spending 50 years in prison without a trial. I don't want to die like Noel Chambers. Before matters return to court, William pleaded in an emergency application that will be heard today by a judge in the St. Catherine Circuit Court. In an affidavit to the court, a copy of which was obtained by the Gleaner, the 71-year-old who is incarcerated at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Facility opened up about emotional anguish caused by countless broken promises that he will be taken to court soon. He also cited seeing the back of numerous convicted killers who entered the institution after him. Williams was arrested and charged with killing another man during a violent altercation on a family that was driving through the St. Catherine community of Mount Rosser in July 1970. But then 20-year-old was declared unfit to plea, according to his attorney Isaac Buchanan and a family member. Williams, in an affidavit, claimed that he was not received constant psychiatric treatment during his incarceration, but said several times, the last being in February 22nd this year, he was declared fit to plea and told he would soon face court. I feel good, but every time I was disappointed until I learned that my fate may be to die in here before I ever see a courthouse again, he said. The elderly man charged that he has been placed in cell with convicted killer and recounts personal meeting Earl Pratt the inmate who escaped the death penalty 3 times before he was freed in 2007 at the age of 48 based on landmark ruling by the United Kingdom Privy Council. I witnessed in my 49 years in custody all type of death row prisoners being released from prison, Williams said. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.